My wife. I love you, my wife. That's
what
it.
You want, yo?
Oh no, baby, you sound so cute. Yes! When I worry about come and play that video because it's disturbing. Glad me did it. You know, the things them, you see, man are wicked, you know. Man. That's a serious, wicked creature, them. Man just wicked all across the board. You can't, me can't say that one they wicked. Man are just wicked. Them wicked as fuck. Me I'll show you another thing. The things them. When me see man left good girl pitney and go there with it puzzle me. It puzzle. Alright, you know, hold on, I don't know. Then you mean to tell me, say, man left good girl pitney and go take up the man. This your blood clot, greater face, bumbo clad, look like wet bread, you know? My friend, you know? Man take up them and fuck them in a body hole, in a ugly, you fucking a that. I should have here in a bro, God. Ugly no bumbo clad, you have to wonder what kind of crap, what kind of cocky man them are taking. You have to looking at yourself as a human being and say to yourself, say, then God, so man can really check up themselves and do with them brother sitting here, man. Barracuda at its best, you know, my friend. Soursop fish at its best, bro, God. Face favor one bumbo clad straight and daddy. What am I doing in contacts then? Who give them contacts then? A foreign dad do this, you know. A foreign dad do this, you know. Right up a Walgreens to say, you see, man, go take up yourself and the man go buy the blood clot contacts them and do yourself, sir. The man go up a Walgreens and take up your money and do yourself, sir. Look on this a blood clot ugly mug, yeah. Look on this a blood clot, crispy blood clot, ugly crab off, bumbo clot, foot bottom junker, you know. Who wanna get this a blood class in there from? This year a Halloween at its best. So batty people them know, battyman. And this year wanna take up. Who wanna left woman for? Figure fuck them ya. Wanna left good girl pitney. Nice girl pitney. We have them the ear there. We have this and breast and sit. Figure fuck them your blood clad nail pan ya. Them your blood clad ugly bumbo clad junker ya. Who know as woman? Take up on yourself and a fuck them. Who knows man? And who know want cuss woman every day on the life? Who dey hate woman? Oh Jesus Christ, I can't fuck woman. Pussy no thing. Who no bumbo clock take up on yourself and a fuck out them your body hole there? Me not think it's a human being this. Couldn't. This couldn't be a fucking human being and I don't want to further upset any of you. You see me I deal with? Don't bumbo clot. So when me if you tell me say all of them are blood clot, crispy, blood clot, buttercream, buttermilk, blood clot, waffle body. You know me I deal with pancake, blood clot, syrup, nice clean blood clot girl. I wanna go and take up them the blood clot pan and nail there. Look on the condition, body man wanna puzzle me. Because you go take up them the blood clot rusty looking bumbo clot man there. Say them a girl. Oh, that will look like girl, no time. Disrespectful to the woman race everywhere. Eh? Me not ever think a woman should be that ugly. I mean, come on, you have to look in a woman's face, you know. Me a fuck you. Me love looking at your eyes when me fuck. You can't look at them the blood clot guy there. A punishment for fuck that, you know. When you a fuck sitting like that, I must something treacherous, you know. You do something very fuck up in your lifetime. For deserve, for your fuck, one blood clot pan and here like that. Jesus Christ, people, when me asking that question, I'm alone. See problem, yes, sir. You remember my birthday party, you know it go. New York, I'm coming to New York, the whole blood clot place that's a pretty done. Oh yo, pretty done for the blood clot Christmas. All out the girl wanna come just like Mrs. Claus. Me just buy my wife out video. Oh, see, it cost money. But me and Mrs. Claus, Mr. Claus, you don't know it already. All out the better show out in the dance. Mr. Lava play over them, my friend. Mr. Platinum kid over them, Mr. Prestige. You understand? Mr. Ho, 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 it's my birthday. The 23rd. This coming Monday, I mean this one, not next one. This coming Monday, my birthday party. I said Bronx come alive. When the general himself, the man himself, the Dan himself, the general out there. I'm going to get back to it. At this Batty World, God. Then you're supposed to be as Battyman. Why the fuck would you have gone take up this pound of blood classes? Why would you have gone take up this blood clot bread back here? Figure take up and fuck. This is a blood clot bread back here. Look on this blood clot bread back here, my friend. Eh? This is man blood clot forehead big and wide, you know. Big and wide. I mean, why you don't take up that and call it girl? You get enough blood clot backers because nobody now look for you and fuck you. A man wanna fuck you wicked. What a wicked bumbo clot man if you take you up and a fuck you. Have to be a wicked blood clot man if you take up a piece of shit like this and just a fuck you. Watch it for you now. So you mean to tell me say, man, take up this. Whatever an woman attire and woman this and look nothing close to a blood clot woman heel back, you know. Not even a woman heel back, you know, blood clot look like that. But man take up you and jump up and down in your body like spring mattress. Look how you ugly. Look how you ugly, my God. Look on this old blood clot long time faggot. Look on this long time muppet. It's a fucking muppet, this man. Eh? This look like if you see in a blood clot Sesame Street. What the fuck? What this look like sitting where you say Husker the Grouch and Mama, come on, goods. I mean, I don't know what to call me now, I'll offend you. Friend. Eh? My God, make you ugly so. Everybody want viral. If you want viral, just ugly. Just fucking ugly and do them thing then. And see if you're not fucking viral. You purposefully do that. You purposefully try to disrespect like that. Who the fuck you think want to fucking stand up and look at you? Disrespectful. Disrespectful. Hey. That don't disrespect Grinch like that. What? Are you trying to say that fucking thing look like the Grinch? This thing look like the Grinch? The good Grinch? Clean body Grinch? My great friend? Only said this is a muppet here. Look like Grinch? On a fucking meal. On a fucking meal. And then you sit near man, take up on the man them say, oh, I'm gay. Me don't want to hear how him talk. Because, hey, them your big blood clot rusty upon a blood clot, nearly look like whole blood clot, long time vehicle where they in a junkyard that them want to know, man. You ever notice? When you look upon the girl, the man them say they want to girl, the whole of them look like blood clot, whole carpet, you know. The whole carpet them would then roll up and put side that dumpster them, you know, my friend, for that friend. Who do me if you tell me say people good boy people take up them your blood class? That's why boy people don't want to work. Them boy nowadays them don't want to work, so them are gonna take up them blood clot muppet there and fuck them, you know. Them rust in a bumbo clot. Me I try to tell you the WD-40 can't help you. No junkyard you can't stand down. You see, pre? What this? I want me to tell me say, man, get cocky hard for that. Bumbo clot not even my big toe you can't suck off. Not even my big toe wouldn't stand up for you. No! No! My big toe will never. My big toe is fucking lazy for you right now. Look at you. My God. It's a disgrace to Battyman everywhere. You make Batty life look bad. Well, it is bad. But What do you know what I mean? You make it look worse. Christ. Who the fuck put on your makeup? I must you do it. Nobody else not touch me your ugly face. Your face coming like one strainer. How the fuck get them contacts? You know, so Walgreens to go on better. Walgreens to go on better. You want dirty CVS. I cost all of this one. Look at this. My God. Look for him in a cheap blood clot here. My wife say $40 for that in a year store. Take it off. The plastic here. I want to see if it catch you a bumbo clot fire. And a them here. Oh no good man them take up on a fuck. Look a reason about this. Hello? Oh! You're a good man where you say straight and them a fuck. If you present them, where you get? You see them the ugly battyman there where you say I go outside, them have the money, you know? Them have the money. Ugly as fuck, you know see man wig? The man wig. Babes, you that do a wig like that? Fucking wicked wig. This is a wicked. It's a wicked somebody do that. And them the man take up. That's what I'm telling you, man, I want to do wickedest sit them can put down your man. See man? They will shame you. Man will shame you. Man a fuck him, you know. Believe said the battyman they have about 2, 3 man, you know. 4 man, you know. The battyman ugly you fucking, my friend. Why you never turn one of the man battyman them? Why you go turn one of the woman one? It don't make no sense. I mean, me a man, me not go be a batty boy. Me not go be the girl one, cause me not too look 3 girly. Me a go be one of the man one, them where you press out batty like pancake. Why you never go do that? Cause you look like blood clot Samson, brother. Brother, you big like Samson, brother. You know this a big blood clot purple and all kind of color wig ya. Like you show more respect to the batty flag than anybody else. You're disrespectful, brother. How you think that this nigga look? How you think that nigga look? You must be looking at it. Just like my wife said, you don't look in the mirror before you do shit like this. You don't? Somebody should have fucking tapped you on your shoulder. Hello, what's up? You're fucking ugly. Somebody should have just tell you. Point blank. Mama, you see, bro? Bumbo clot ugly. Mama, favor one of the blood clot trail of them who carry the blood clot sand. You look like one Sancho. Jesus Christ. Sorry for your disturbance. Every time you show your face, I lose views. Every time you show your face, I lose views. Jesus Christ. You serious? I'm serious. It's not going there, sir. Who know better do better? Mama! Me say, you are the splitting image of baby lizard this, you know, man. When me look on the blood clot battyman then, a living baby lizard. Him and favor baby lizard, you fuck. Me say, you know what's a baby lizard father? A baby lizard father do them thing here, man. I saw baby lizard stay and then do anything. From me see it and go viral. Me say, no, say baby lizard, they have nothing to do with it. Me know say related to baby lizard. Yeah, man. When me look under the blood clot, looking for him dreadful. He really take up gal roll. You understand it? When me say, yo, look for baby lizard cousin. I listen what I want, mama. Me say, look for blood clot baby lizard cousin, man. Eh? Which guy? Hey, boy, Bill. Leave that girl alone. Don't, and nobody can call her no fucking gorilla for me life neither. Understand yourself. Relax. Don't blood clot talk about that child. I'm talking about this big blood clot long time pan-and-nail batty boy. The rusty blood clot man there. He me a rearrange him status right now. I'm not talking about the nice little child that wanna have a laugh off. Me talk about this your blood clot rusted 1953 Chevy. Hit me a talk. This your 1920 Lada. I eat. The 1953 blood clot Chevy Impala. I hit me a blood clot cuss. Because this is not a girl child. This is a man bumbo clot product thinking blood clot dirty man. Shit bag nasty blood clot man. Zebra? Blood clot. No, I can't get him off of my screen. Come off of my screen, sir. Because this don't look right. I don't want to hear no talk about this nice little girl. Wanna leave that fucking pitney alone and suck up my body all around. Who no for trouble, who not trouble. Who no see baby lizard. Look how baby lizard look. Like you look a blood clot guarda lizard there, but they are blood clot Florida. You see me trouble him. Me a talk about this a blood clot long time Panania. Hit me a talk. The 53 bumbo clot ladder. Hit me a talk. Relax. Talk about baby lizard. Talk about this a blood clot rusty blood clot man. You favor baby lizard. Talk about that. Don't talk about this innocent little child. Leave that pitney alone. That is a nice little child. More growing and bumbo clot looks. She go growing her looks. I mean, it done say it already. Me say in favor baby lizard. That me say. What the fuck? I said what I said and I meant what I said. That little child is going to grow in her looks. Is a nice looking pitney. Who no son going to be fucking that child soon? You see, this is a big long time bumbo clot 1963 blood clot Chevy Impala. The 1924 blood clot Chevy hit big pan of bumbo clot dirty thinking meal. This is a blood clot shine face bumbo clot thinking man. Him meter. This is a blood clot shit bag. This is a blood clot toilet. The man them a fuck up boy and give a little smile. How for grandfather this? How for grandfather this? Really? Who for grandfather this? A somebody grandfather this no? A somebody blood clot rotten face grandfather thinking blood clot dirty man. What a fucking dirty man like this. Eh? Huh? My God. Your mama disappointed to see what you done. You dirty blood clot black ugly bumbo clot rusty blood clot man. Well, dress up yourself and put on the whole heap of makeup. They not even have makeup your shade. And you have one brown and one for your thinking color. You black like a engine oil to blood clot. You come like when me a bun me spliff and the grabber get wet and then it turn black and me have to take you off. I saw you look. You figure hacking next blood clot saw. Eh? You see next time blood clot grudge a shock shot go on over there for piece I wear. When one need a wrong turn a shoot. Please, go on over there. Me bumbo clot. Brother, you wicked, brother. Brother, you a wicked, brother, youth. Big man think batty boy, you a wicked blood clot batty boy. You batty boy. You a wicked batty boy, youth. And you really have somebody boy pick me a fucking in your dirty batty hole. Look how you ugly. Look how you fucking ugly. What kind of smile that? How you smile with? Move your blood clot. You see you make all the Grinch look sweet. You make all the Grinch look sweet. My God. A hoe for grandfather, this our uncle. And them your uncle there, fuck off, you look up in them in your family. Them you are the uncle them. A hoe for fucking uncle and cousin. A full cousin. Confident in bumbo clot, you want somebody take a dull shit and chop him in a pussy clot for it. Somebody a fucking him. Somebody blood clot man a fucking. Somebody, someone one on a hot girl, we're working at about, you know, make it in a blood clot like who no man a fucking in a body hole. That ugly fucking bumbo clot makut. Huh? Yo, at that mankind gone to. And them something them man a fuck and a talk about they're gay. I'm gay. That's how gay look. That's how gay look. Gay. I'm gay. And at them they sitting down and fuck. Only never get no rights. Tap it. Have some blood clot discipline. If you're ugly, say you can't turn no man. Me feel like say the battyman them if you have a thing. If you're too blood clot, if you're too ugly, you can't turn one girl battyman. You have to be one man battyman. You see me? You see, if you are one girl and you're too ugly, be a man one and not a girl one. You see me I deal with? You want standards if you come with that thing. You see, if we have the standards, none of this would not happen. If we didn't do that, ugly people will be the man one and you will be the man one. You see, you're fucking ugly, you will be the man battyman. The woman battyman them will be the pretty boy them will act too much like bitch. You see me? Pre-now. You see the girl them were too blood clot ugly, them can't be the girl sodomite. Them have to be the man sodomite. You get up on the wrong part of the cocky. You're supposed to be giving, not taking. You understand me? Because you're too fucking ugly. As I said before. I was, you know, you look like Alien versus Predator. You feel me? Yeah, this is disrespectful to everybody around the world. But watch it. Smile. Eh? Blood clot. This is not well. This I don't know what to say about it, you know. Just like on me, I'm man lesbian. Yeah, understand? If you're not be the man lesbian, you have to cute. Yeah, you have to cute to be a woman lesbian. You understand me? Sexy and well, come here, look good enough. Hear that? You crawl for your body like hands, baby, I see. You cover me all like body, sir. I want to see what I'm going.
I don't think about lunch.
Eh?
Think about lunch.
Think what?
Lunch.
Lunch? Yeah, what me I eat for lunch? Ooh, come here then, let's give me an idea. You know what I want for lunch? Yeah, me eat you one. You can eat hard and we can go out and find something we have to eat. That will full my belly. Come here, I don't say you are there, you know, say you put on the weight on the dog. Eh? Hmm? Come here, be like, now. Now. Say that? You know I say it, but now. I'll be a now, it tells me now. Now. Yo, remember my birthday party, hear that? Yo, New York, you come a blood clot live one more time. If me love you one more time. Pretty than blood clot birthday party. Mrs. Claus edition. Ho, ho, ho. Mrs. Claus, the right there, you want to see Babe's outfit cute. You fuck. Me not dress up like Santa. My belly big, but you not reach there yet. You see, Pre? So guess what? Me gonna go like an authentic Batman. Red blood clot, New York style. You understand the idea with ya? Me tell you say, Timberland pan feet, yeah? Jeans, oh. Shirt, yeah. Me said the 23rd come alive and me said that a blood clot next week month. This coming Monday. This coming Monday, Pretty is going to be 28 to come. Batman style. Out there. Remember, some of the love of the play Platinum Kid boy. Hello, Prestige, you see? Me tell you, say the whole place. When me grab the mic, me a perform, you know. Come on and love me, mama. I could have this, Mr. Palmer. You want to get the vagina? Yo, Mr. Candy, you have been done, you have been coming when me run, go to Candy. Bumbo clad. Me have to perform live. You see? I saw me. I saw me sit down by my man body. I saw me sit down and catch. I saw me sit down and catch. I saw me sit down and catch. Saw me sit down on my man body. Saw me sit down and catch. Saw me bumper clad, the whole blood clad place. Yo, Mount Vernon! Your boy, real rich. Your boy is in the building. Rich. Look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Look at my pants. Look at my shirt. Mount Vernon, are you ready? Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon. Hello, it's your boy. Big up, look at the tweet and Twitter. Hey, the whole place. Hello, Mount Vernon, come on. It's your boy. It's your boy, real rich. It's your boy. I'm come rich. It's gonna be rich inside Mount Vernon. It's gonna be so rich. Your boy, live. It's your boy birthday. Hello. It's your boy. Come out and support the thing. You see, pray. Yeah, man, come out and we could drink and blood clot, junk and cuss people. Yes, my friend. Me I go on the blood clot, Mike, come here chase every blood clot by the youth. 1 good 3-4 seconds. I don't know what that liquor touch pretty, you know. Me have to go say, come on and love me, mama. Gotta be Mr. Mama. I'm gonna. You know what? Me fi bring Ling Ling. Me I got bring Ling Ling, you know. Me say Candy Diddy, you are the Dandy Diddy. You have to come over wrong to the Sandy Diddy. You are me wrong to the Sandy Diddy. Run to the pant to the Tandy Diddy. Panty Diddy. You know you're old, me a Jandy Diddy. Oh, the bumbo clock. Yeah, girl. Good evening, enough ask if me I come anywhere dirty boy them did it so. Yeah. Me I bring my 1 and 2 like a Mrs. Claus outfit so when time drunk I must get drunk. Me can go drop on my Mrs. Claus and come out and shake my arm. I want to shake my arm. I don't want to ask no question. It's my birthday too. Me did born the day with pretty born too. If we did ever come out the right way, the dirty boy would come out like him and me come out in our own blood clot farm. A hot girl sitting for the blood clot Christmas. The whole birthday, Lord. Them put pretty than a load for the fly, but I said, I like him shirt. Yeah, I like him shirt, man, I ask. Yeah, man, the whole Bronx. Whoa, Bronx. It is your boy, Real Rich. It is your boy, Real Rich, in live, living colors. You feel me? It's gonna be lifestyle, rich. You feel me? My lifestyle rich. Rich. Let's believe, my man. You see me? It's a boy real rich. Yeah, that's gonna be a boy real rich inside of Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon, are you ready? Eh? Are you ready, Mount Vernon? Mount Vernon, Mrs. Claus, are you ready? Real rich. In the building, caviar settings, bro. Remember my balcony? I already have my thing booked out. You feel me? Yeah. The balcony, I'm gonna be on the balcony with my wife, drinking nogging, egg nogging. Yeah. Your boy Real Rich inside the building. You understand me? Mount Vernon, hope you're ready. My boobies, hope you're ready. You understand me? All the people and what's good? Your boy Real Rich. It's gonna be right in your town. Come out and support. You feel me? Yeah. Out there. Big up TT, look at you on Twitter. You know how it go already. You see pray. Oh, come out. Early. You see pray. Yeah. Club lock 2 o'clock. Remember ladies free before 11. You see it? Oh, your boy Real Rich. You understand me? Your boy Real Rich. Come out and support the thing. You feel me? Come meet Real Rich in real life. Feel me, David? Yeah. Bronx. So Mr. Mount Vernon, well, I say your boy Real Rich. I'm going to be in the building. People. You see me? I'm going to be live on my birthday. Don't worry about it. You understand me? It's your boy. I hope you guys ready for this. It's your boy.